special secret recipe for finalahadi. This is the most delicious dish what you have ever tasted. Such a delicate aroma, such exquisite taste. It will melt your mouth. Are you ready? Into a pot of boiling water, put 2 carrots, 2 onions, a string bean, a paprika, 2 eggs, a pinch of parsley, a dash of pepper, and the last and the most important thing, 1 small fresh fish.
If you ain't my baby, the way you acting lately makes me down. I gotta
Go louder up the vaulted staircase. Throat closer. Ha 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 ha!